Like, ouch, ouch, ouch. He done fucked it up, man. Yeah, send them home, guys. We sending them home. What y'all think? He said, I got it, I'm gonna fix it. Nah, you ain't gotta fix it, just don't fuck it up in the first place, right, guys?
Whoever said I gotta go home, got at least 10 beats.
Yeah. What's going on?
Specifically for the official models out.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. You ready? See, we're supposed to line up with the star, not with the back of the fucking thing. You see the star? Come on, man. He's fucking up the stream bridge? Fucking it up. Fucking up the chat? I thought he lost the phone all the way down to the bottom. Damn. Let me see my shit still charging. Every time I move this shit, my phone disconnects. Nah, that's disconnected. Alright, let's home this, man. Why? I'm gonna let you go.